Hi, I'm Bryan. Welcome to Ask Bryan Cheong. When a customer make payment to you, you give him a receipt. But sometimes, if this is a partial payment or there is others outstanding, you wish to have a outstanding amount that show in the receipt in order to remind the customer about the outstanding. But in SQL accounting software standard receipt format, there's no such field. Why not just do a simple customization to drag out this amount and show to your customer? Let's check out how this works. In SQL accounting software, we go to customer payment, new, example, a customer, A Home Furnishing, pay us 100 ringgit, receive in bank. This is the FBX number, knock off with this invoice, and they are still outstanding. Save this, preview, and we can print the official receipt. All the green color is the standard format. Show you the payment details, but there's no outstanding. So with a simple customization, we create another official receipt format. We can show the outstanding amount. This shows you SQL accounting software are able to do customizations according to your requirements. You may post your requirements and your question in my channel, then I'll answer accordingly. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.